Hey guys, and what is up? So today I wanted to record a video of what is in my pencil bag. This is like my planner bag, the bag that I basically take with me everywhere. Like if I'm going to a planner date with my friend here in town, I'm sticking this in my bag because I need everything that's in it. If I'm going downstairs, if I'm going upstairs, if I'm going to my room with my planner, if I'm going anywhere with my planner, this is coming with me. I have been loving this Sherpa pouch from the Happy Planner. I went ahead and added a patch. This is a Mickey patch that I got at Joann's. I think it's so cute. I got this idea from Lila from LB Novelties, and she put it, I think she put a mini one on hers, and I just love the way hers looked, and I had to add one to mine, so I went and got Mickey, and it's gonna be perfect for Go Wild. I can't wait. So I wanted to show you all everything that is in here. It's a little bit of a mess, but I like that I can fit a lot in here because I am literally everything that I need is in here. So the first thing that I took out here is my sticker album. This is something that I DIY'd on my own, so it's nothing fancy. I literally got this sticker album. Well, it's not even a sticker album, it's a picture album that I got at Michael's for, I think it was on sale for $1. And what I did is remove the paper that it came with because it wasn't really the prettiest, and I replaced it with this little one that has like daisies on it. I have some stickers on here. This is a sticker that my friend sent to me, so I'm not exactly sure where it's from if I'm being honest, but I just think it's so cute. I got this one, Wish Upon a Magic, or Wish Upon Magic, that I got from my order from their shop, Wish Upon Magic. This super cute washi stack with Coffee Monster Co. I got that. My friend gave it to me, and it was just so cute, so I didn't want to like use it, like peel off the sticker backing and put it somewhere, so I wanted to keep it somewhere where if I ever wanted to, I could use it. And I got this at a Dead & Co show in Dallas, if I'm not mistaken. No, Houston. Pretty sure it was Houston, but I just love Dead & Co, so this was like the perfect thing to add on there. And it's just like a mixture of stickers. It's kind of crazy now, but I love the way it looks. So in here, it's just stickers. I'm not going to go through every single one of them because it's not like the point of this video, but I just have a ton of dot stickers, some icons, these moons that my friend gave me, some labels, more stickers, Coffee Monster Co. I've been obsessed with Coffee Monster Co. I want to get all of the stickers, but little by little because it adds up so fast. These from JoJo Apple Prints, so cute. More Coffee Monster Co. These are from Sweet Caress. Majority of my stickers are from Sweet Caress. I did double a lot of these up, so there's like multiples of these behind them just to save some space because I have some more coming in. These are smaller ones that I got from from Sweet Caress. So there's just like a ton of them. These are perfect to like stick in your wallet or in your like pencil bag or whatever. I just like keeping them in here. Just in one section because I like taking them out and looking through them all at once. Some stickers that I got from Daiso, more stickers. These are from JoJo Apple Prints back there, but they're for the fall, so I'm saving them for fall time. More stickers and more stickers. These are I DIY'd on my own. Didn't turn out the greatest, but whatever. So this is, I keep it in my pencil bag because you just never know when you need some stickers, so I love keeping that in there. So there's one thing. I also keep some washi. Lately, I've been loving using washi. I'll show you my weekly planner right now. It has, like, I always use washi every single week. So in case I'm out and about or something and decide I want to add washi, I keep these in here. These were gifted to me. My friend gave me this, and these were sent to me as Happy Mail. So I just keep them in my bag because you just never know. And it reminds me that I have them, so it's nice to keep. I just got this from Wish Upon Magic, and it's so cute, you guys. Look. I love Winnie the Pooh. So when I saw this, I had to get it. And when I got it, I think I was working. and I wasn't able to open the package right away, and I just stuck it in my bag as soon as I opened it. Okay, sorry, I had to clear my throat. But anyways, the next thing that I have in here is this SIM card reader because YouTube Live. I lately have been loving recording vlogs, and I record vlogs with my real camera just to not eat up so much space on my phone. And I like having things on a SIM card, but I sometimes have to edit on my phone or my iPad. And this is like the easiest way for me to get the footage onto those devices. So I keep that in my planner bag. I have a giant eraser that I just got at Walmart by Pen and Gear. I think it was like 40 cents or something. I have this super cute pen. It's a Mickey pen that I got at Daiso. I think it's adorable. I have a Winnie the Pooh one, but this one pretty sure ran out of ink. But look how cute. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it in my pencil bag. I'll have to find a filler ink for it, so we'll see. I grab these at the same time, but I keep my chapstick in there. I use the I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a lip repair balm. It's not a balm. Yeah, it is a balm. I love it because it's just, my lips get really dry really easily for some reason, and that just like I can use it like 3 times and it like fixes them right away. And then I also have Elmer's glue. I love using glue. I know a lot of people use the double stick tape, but I just like use good old Elmer's glue. It does the same thing for me, and I don't really care. And then I have my X-Acto knife. I need to get like a new one, or it still works, but it's a little, you know, it's been through some things. It's had life. It's lived. But I should probably get a new one. I want to get one that's kind of like a pen that's retractable, because then it would be safer to use. But for now, I have that. This has been my favorite pen. It's a Frixion 0.7. I wish it was 0.5, but it's 0.7. So good. Love it so much. And then they're all pens pretty much. I don't know what this is doing here. It's for cuticles, but it doesn't belong in here, so I'll put that off to the side. I have these tweezers that I got. I'm pretty sure I got them at the dollar store at the Dollar Tree. They're not the greatest, but they still do the job whenever I'm like out and about or something. So I still keep them in there. I have 2 of these pens. These are the Sarasa Clip 0.5 zebra pens that I got at Michael's. These are like running out of ink. They must have like very little. And then I have a Jelly Roll, which I need a new one of, but I have a Jelly Roll. I usually get this at Michael's, and I just haven't gotten around to it. Honestly, you guys, I haven't been to a Michael's or a Joann's in like weeks. It's kind of pretty wild. I have this pencil. It's really cute. It's just white. I don't even know what brand it is, but it's a 0.7 millimeter. I got this from Cloth and Paper, so it's really cute. I just like it because it's white. I also have a Papermate 0.5 Inkjoy pen that I got. I just like using those whenever I have to. I just don't like how juicy the ink is. I think it's a little too much for me because I write really heavy, so I feel like that's just too much. And then I have a Muji pen. This is a 0.33, I think, or point something, 0.38. Here it is on the top. So it's a really good pen. I really like it. It's a little too thin for me. I probably should have gotten something a little bit thicker, but it works. It still does the job. And then I have the Sharpie S Gels in the 0.7. I just got these at Target not too long ago, and they're pretty awesome. Love them so much. And that is literally everything that I carry in my pencil pouch. And for whatever reason, I have a nail in here because you never know when you have to hang something, I guess. But that is all that I keep in my bag. It doesn't seem like, it seems like a lot more than what it is, but I just love keeping every single thing that I have in here because you just never know when you're gonna need it. These are like my essentials, basically. And I still have like pens and markers on my desk that I like to use every now and then, but I'm gonna put this away. I think it's time. But it's not something that I would need on the go. I don't even carry any highlighters. I don't highlight anything in my planner. I just usually check it off. Like, this is kind of what I do. wrong page. This is just kind of what I do. I just check it off. I don't highlight it because I don't like it to smear. So that's just how I am. So I removed all the highlighters and Tombow markers from my bag. But yeah, that is everything that I have in my bag. I know this was a quick video, but I think it was a fun one. So I hope you enjoyed. I can't wait to go wild. I'm excited. I'm nervous. Talked about it already, but I'm excited. I can't wait to meet any one of you all. I hope I get to meet y'all if y'all are there. Let me know if you're gonna go or if you plan on going. I plan on going to Disney on Wednesday and on Sunday, so I'm so excited for that. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later. I am probably gonna record a vlog for tomorrow. We'll see if that happens. You'll see if I post it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.